Hello friends, in this video we will see how to sum of only even numbers from starting from 1 to 100. So there are three things. We are printing 1 to 100, only even number, and after that we're going to sum of it, right? We're going to add those numbers. So there are three things. So let's start one by one. Okay, so first we're going to print 1 to 100. So how are we going to do? Like, we're going to use a for loop. So let's start with our for loop. We will say for let I equal to 1, because its starting point is 1, semicolon, I is less than or equal to 100. We are printing until 100, and then we're going to increment by 1. So I plus plus, which is I is equal to I plus 1. And now document dot write which command going to print in a browser. And if we want to do in a console, then we're going to do in a console dot log. And if we say this, and you can see it's printed 1 to 100. And if we add over here some break statement, we can see proper. So let me add my break statement, save it, and as you can see it's printed 1 to 100. But now we want to add only even number, because we want a sum of only one number. So next point is we're going to add our if statement. What we're going to add here is if I and then percentage sign, it's like modulo equal 0, then we're going to print. So we're going to add our statement over here. Let me do this one. And if you don't know what that means is, so basically I forget to divided by 2, I modulus divided by 2, I forget that. So what that means is, let me bring over here. So any number which is going to divide by 2, right? Any number which is divided by 2. So for example, this is 4, so 2 times 4 is 4, and now nothing is left, equal to 0. It means those are even numbers. So only even numbers going to print. And as we can see over here, let me minimize this, it only printed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 until 100. Similar way in a console.log. Okay, so now 2 points are done. Now the only last point is we have to add those numbers. So what we're going to do, we're going to say sum equal to 0. First we're going to create a one variable, and now over here what am I going to do? Let me remove this one, and I would say sum plus equal to I. So what that means, every time it's loop, it's going to add. So first time is 0, now it's loop, and now I becomes 2, so it's add sum is equal to 2. Now sum is 2, once again it's iterate, now I becomes 4, because we are only printing even number, right? So now it becomes 6, and if you want to print this, I simply say I is not defined. Oh sorry, it's a sum. Oh god, okay, it's a sum because we added this one in the sum. So now total is 2550 if we add that. And if you want to make sure it's our math is correct, let's try with 4. So it means that's going to print until 4. So 4, so basically there are, when it start from 1 and it's only printing even number, so it's going to be 2 and 4, and sum is 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's what is printing, 6 here, 6 here. If you want to add print until 8, you can do that. And now it's 20. Why 20? Because 2, 4, 6 and 8, you add one by one, it's going to be total of 20. Hope you understand this logic, and if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and there are a few more tutorial in my channel. Don't forget to check out that one. Thank you so much. We will see you in next video.